Got this air compressor today. Let's go ahead and test it out. Comes with this nice little bag that you can carry. The car adapter. And it comes with extra adapters for balls and bikes. The cable is about 10 feet long, which is pretty good length, so you can reach all 4 tires. Alright. Connect that here. 12 volts. I'll turn on the car. Here you select the PSI you want. If you're not sure about the PSI, you can always check the driver door, and then here on the side it will tell you. Now this is cold pressure, so if you just got outside and turned on your car, your tires are considered cold if they've been sitting for about 2 to 3 hours. If you've been driving for more than a few minutes or on the highway, your tires are considered hot, so you want to put 3 to 4 pounds over of what it says here. See here it says front 32 psi, rear 32. On some cars, mostly European cars, the rear tires are wider. They might carry a little bit more psi, so always verify this panel before inflating your tires. You don't want to overinflate them or underinflate them. We'll go ahead and bring this here. Take the valve cap off. And let's start that here. Make sure it's nice and in. Seal it. Let's test it out. Let's put 35.
The compressor will shut off automatically once it reaches the PSI you inputted. So it should stop automatically when it reaches a full 35 psi, which is a great feature so you don't overinflate it.
You just go ahead and take it out and put your little cap back on. Brings these extra adapters in case you want to put air on a ball, which is very handy because no one has these nowadays. Or if you need to put air on something bigger like an inflatable or something, a bed, something bigger, one of these. This is pretty great. Done, simply put it back. Disconnect your power supply. Put everything back in this bag. Put it away and be on your way. It's an excellent thing to have one of these just in case little TPMS light comes on. You're able to put air on the side of the road.
To get your hands on one of these amazing Yokaro air compressors, simply click on the link below and let this device come in handy for those emergency roadside scenarios when you need air on your tires or any other equipment.